Hey y'all, welcome to your Funnels Coach YouTube channel. We're gonna now start building out the funnel hub, actually building it out now that we got all the styles and stuff created and the domains all linked. So the first thing that I do, you'll come here, go to the overview tab right here. This is the site overview. This is the generic theme that they have downloaded, right? So the next thing you wanna do is come in here, right here, click, and then go into site settings, go down here. If you don't want it public, you can put it on coming soon and they'll take you to a place where they can put your email address, their email address and name, and they'll be the first person to be contacted through your marketing whenever it's live. You can do tracking codes, your head codes, footer codes, and stuff like that for Google analysis. And then, so you just come here, click down. It'll be that one usually, but just click down to your best style ever style, the one that we created together, and just leave those all blank. And then the SEO sharing, you can put in a default page title, stuff like that. We're going to do a life coaching page, I think. TJ life coaching page, helping dogs overcome the barriers of living, something like that. And then it's 60 characters long, and then you put in a second sentence about your dogs overcoming whatever barriers they have, right? And then you can select an image for your sharing image up at the very top right here if you want to do that. Let's hide that, and then you go update site. So that puts your styles in, and then you come back. It takes you back to this right here. You can use this theme, the generic one, or you can explore new themes. They have 8 ones you can choose from, right? And so you can go through, pick one that you like the nice pretty colors of, or the format of the colors, right? And so you can do that, but we're just going to keep with the default one today. And then here's what I do. Before hitting the customize, I go to pages, right? In this, you have the standalone pages, the theme pages for your default everything for the hero theme that was downloaded, and then you have your site pages. I created all these site pages already, but here's how easy it is to create one. So I created the movement, the review hub, services, content hub, resources, about us page, right? Those are the pages you want to have for your funnel hub. Those are the main ones. And then if you linked your domain that we talked about last time, it'll show right here, like www.coachingfordogs.com, whatever it is, right? That'll be right there instead of the generic Your Funnels Coach example, my ClickFunnels.com movement page. So this is where I create. So if I want a new page, again, these pages are the ones you need for a funnel hub, the generic ones. You can always add to those, but the movement, review hub, services, content hub, resources, and about us page. So you just come up here, click this, start from blank, and then let's say, what do we need for coaching for dogs? Toys for therapy, home, who knows, whatever you want. And then you just click here. We'll just do it. Let's just create the page. Create the page. And then it takes you here to edit the page right here. Then you want to pin this page to your home page editor to make it easy to edit stuff like that. But you put the name right there, description, the SEO, page title, 60 characters. This helps out with SEO. This is where you want to put in your keywords and stuff people are searching for your products and goods for. It helps out in search engines. And then you want to click that too. It'll show on the sitemap, and then you can put an image right there of your dog if you want. And then I just use the best style ever and pin this page, right? So click update page. And then there it is. This is the page you come to Let me go back here. So here, you're here. Before, we just created a page down here, but then this is a site you come to and to customize your page. You click that, and then all the pages that you created are all there, right there. So we're going to talk about the home page now, finally. So we'll work from our top down. You have the navigation bar, right? So you can edit this, put in all your, we'll do that in a little bit, put in all your websites. And then the first section here is what you promise, your big problem that you solve. We solve issues dogs have for overcoming addiction. Then your mission statement, right? But this is the one, this right here tells your clients or your customers what you can do for them, the problems that you solve, right? So in this, we're solving issues with dogs that have addictions to catnips. Let's not use that one. Let's solve issues dogs have for overcoming obstacles. Mental obstacles, not physical obstacles. And then you can add your mission statement here, right? And then you can add this right here is a button. So here, these are the sections. I'm getting ahead of myself here. So they are broken down by, you have the section, right, in green. And then you have the rows. So you can see there's there's one row with 2 columns. And within the rows, you have elements. Headline element, which we formatted. Headline element, which we formatted in styles. Subheadline, paragraph, and this is a button. This is where they click to go to where you want them to go or where they want to go. So in this one, this whole row to the right is filled by an image. So in the image, you can go to settings, right here. You can change the image. You can change the width of it, the height, it's auto-filled usually. But you can, let's change the image, right? Let's change the image to a dog, yeah. But if you want to get a new image, you can click on all these and you can search for dogs. And then dogs come up, right? This is a pretty, he seems pretty happy. Let's use him. So once you click that, it's downloading into your pictures that you can organize by folders. But this is all images. But you can drag and drop your JPEG pictures in here, and then they'll be all filed in here. I would recommend that you would not use full-size images. Lower the quality or whatever to get down the size of the image to where it looks good, but yet it won't lag on the load time of your web page. So here's our image for the first section where you tell your customer what you do for them. The second section right here, right? The second section is the core offer. You can put a lead magnet here, offer, or an opt-in funnel. So basically you can get their contact information, whatever you have here, maybe your best offer that you want them to purchase. So you click on that, you just edit this sucker. Free session to show let's go discovery call. Discovery call to show you how we can help your dog. And then you can give a description here. Sometimes you got to click out of it and then highlight it there. You can give a description of it. In the free session, I will show you 3 tips, tops tips to get your dog the help they need. All right, you just save it. Really often save this sucker, because sometimes I forget to save and then I work like an hour and then it all goes away. So save it. And then here's the button. Here's the button that they're using, right? Free discovery call that they're going to click to go to your funnel that we'll build later, opt-in funnel, okay? And then instead of the custom URL, custom action link, and then the link to whatever funnel you have for them to go to. All right, the next section. I'm getting caught up here. The next section is your value ladder. Your value ladder. The value ladder that Russell Brunson talks about in his books and stuff like that. You want your value ladder here to meet your customers where they are at. Some people want the free stuff. I go from left to right. The free stuff all the way up to the most expensive. So you can label this, change the pictures and stuff like that. So if we label this one, it is free dog treats. Second one is toys for dogs, for dogs to stay calm. This one is the actual coaching for dogs. If I can spell. And then you go here. Yes, give me the click to get free treats. And this would take them to the opt-in funnel, or the funnel that sells the free dog treats. So again, the value ladder right here, you can access, you can change it however you want the wording to say right here. And that is that section. The next one is the attractive character. Who is the attractive character? Expand on who you are, what you're known for, any accomplishments, credentials, and all that stuff. It even tells you what to do in ClickFunnels, which is amazing. And then you can change the image in here if you want to the attractive character. The attractive character is going to be that. I want the image to be a little taller. Yeah, there we go. And then that's that section. Just basically your name here. I'll put, what should we name the dog? Jojo. And that's the attractive character. Save that. And then down here, this next section is this. Okay, the attractive character. It's a lot more important than Jojo. This is where you introduce yourself. You start to build that relationship with your clients, people that are going to buy your services. That is really important. The next section down here is the social proofs. If you have any badges or anything like that down here, your certifications, where you've been seen in certain journals, news articles, and stuff like that, you can put those down here just to give more social proof that you are who you are and you're going to provide them a good service. This next section right here talks about your avatar, what the avatar is experiencing whenever they come into this page and what they need help with. Does it sound like you? This is where you address some of the challenges and struggles your avatar might be facing. Pretty simple. Just fill it in. Really, really simple. And then you can change the picture. Again, you can put corners on it like we did in this, in the styles and stuff like that. But yeah, so very, very, very simple to do. Why is it not? I don't like it. It's not doing it. Let's put the dog in there again. There we go. There, it automatically did the corners. I don't know what was going on with that image. But yeah, does this sound like you? Are you frustrated that? Does it seem that when it comes down to that? Yeah. So yeah, that's me. You're talking about your avatar's feelings, what they're thinking, stuff like that. And if you can pinpoint their pain points and put it down and tell them that you can help them overcome it, that's a big deal. And then this next section is testimonials or reviews, good social proof that whatever you're offering helps, right? And so that is a perfect place for that podcast. Next sections are podcast testimonials, content hub. So if you have a podcast, you have, I'm going to get rid of it though. We've already discussed, I would take this out, all our products. We've already done the value ladder at top. They already know what you offer. We don't want to overcomplicate things, right? That's me. So this is the next section. I'm going to get rid of our blog is the content hub. So I'm going to make a section, right? If you have a YouTube channel, it's going to be full page. Next, we go to the rows. How many rows? We're going to have 2 rows, right? So in this row, we're going to have a headline, and then a subheadline, and then an image, and then a button. So here we go. Element, headline, subheadline, image, and then a button. So, and then if you want to add, so say you messed up and you're like, oh man, I forgot to put a little headline up here. What is this? You can add a row. You can do it, right? And you can just grab it. Come on. Maybe just the headline. There we go. You can grab this sucker. Doesn't want to do it. Maybe we can go like that. There we go. Little arrows right there. Click up. Content hub, right? Go see what so basically content hub are just links to outside resources that you have for your business. All right, so say we have a YouTube channel, right? YouTube channel. And this is like, it is for dogs overcoming behavior issues. And then you can go here, click the image. We're just going to use the same images that we've been using. You can shrink that sucker down. You can even make the image the link right here by right here. So if you want to go to www.youtube.com, if you click that image, that'll take you to youtube.com. Or you can go see my YouTube channel. All right. And then you put the link in there. Here, if you have a blog or a Facebook page, talk about your Facebook page. Awesome place to get to know me. Click here, settings, image. Let's go with another image. Oh, it doesn't match. We can shrink it down to kind of match it, right? Something along those lines. We can do a corner on it if you want the corners, whichever corners you like. Yeah, and that's the content hub section, right? Next one is a lead magnet, an offer. I like to make this one the free one, just to get them to join a group. Free Facebook group for dogs. So there, delete that. And then you can change the picture or whatnot, change the description and all that. Click here. This is where, again, you put your funnels, the call to action at the very bottom. That's important on the homepage. On the very bottom, you want a call to action. Usually your opt-in funnel to get their name and stuff like that so you can market to them. Don't forget to save. And then we come up all the way to the header, right? Yeah, let's do the header next. So each section, right, is this one's white. So whenever we did the style guide, this is what we have, right? So if you like the dark background, darkest, prettiest, all right, and then you can go down here and change all your section stuff, right? If you want to make this bigger, a little bit bigger, there we go. You can change all that, format things to make it look really, really pretty. Let's just go with this. Say you want, you want a picture in the background. Let's go up here. Watch this. Let's put a picture in the background. So let's go none background, right? If you wanted a picture in the very background, like you love that dog. Actually, this is you. You just want it to sit right there. You can delete that, right? And see, with our formatting, it kind of messes up the pictures, right? But you can find one that works that you can see. And if you want, you can format these right here where you can pull them all the way across, or you can even delete that one, right? You can delete that. And so there you go. A picture is in the background. That's how easy it is to put pictures in the background instead of just a color. So if you want to get rid of it, you just click there. You can mess with these little options here to make it look like you want it to look like. And then that's that. And then click save. So say we're happy with everything, right? We like the colors. I'm not saying I like the colors at all, but say you're happy with JoJo and the colors. So the next thing you want to do is to edit the block. This is a universal block. So this will show whenever you put this universal block in. So we want all these web pages on the left-hand side to be in the bar up here. So we're going to click those little three dots right there, go to the settings, and then we're going to go, we want the blog 70, yeah, let's do that. So we're going to have 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. New link, new link, new link. So you go up to shop, make this homepage, and you just go down and just name them in here. Custom URL. We'll just leave that one blank. That'll be a little bit confusing because it'll automatically be the home if it's blank. And then we have let's just get rid of the blog and then make it simple item. Then we have the about us, right? So custom / about us. It was about, I think. Yeah, it was about. So that'll show up. And then the next one is movement. Let's go services. 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 New link. Content hub. Oops, I didn't do it. Content hub. We're just working our way across, right? Resources. Review Hub. We need the blog, yeah. Blog. It'll come up sometimes. Did we miss any movement? Community. We're gonna community. We'll just make it. And then there you go. They have all your links to these pages over here in your homepage and blog. Pretty darn simple. It's saving the universal block. If you want to come over here, you can click at the block, change your logo, and then you can do your logo in here, add it, and then click it in there and make your, put your logo in there, should be good. But if this is white, I really don't like that. So we're gonna go edit universal block, settings, and do we want background, color background? Let's do color. Save universal block, so that will be pink all through, right? So you have everything. Once you get it all formatted and stuff, put everything you want in there. You're done with your home page. You're done with your navigation bar and stuff like that. Down here, you can do the same thing with this, right? So go to here, settings, about us. Let's not do that. Content movement. I want to open a new window, sorry. Products, let's go services. Nope, not open another window, stay in the same window. So you just go down the line of what you want, right? Resources. You guys get the picture. You just save that. So, and then you can go in here, change your logo if you want. So if you want to change your logo, go click here, and you can add I really like the social things that you have down here, just all your links and stuff like that. So that is a universal block. I'll show you how to put that on all the other pages that we created. Really, really, really simple. So yeah, there's our JoJo, and that is our funnel hub for that, right? I'll mess around with it, make it look a little bit prettier for the next video. But that is the funnel hub. So yeah, and then we have the top bar. We have all of our pages created that we need for the funnel hub. We have this. If you're wondering about what this is, right? This little logo right here is the login to your customer center. So that's the link, which is integrated into ClickFunnels, which is awesome on your back end, where you can put other products and stuff you want to sell to your customers. You can format it and stuff like that. So if it's a guest, it'll look like that. If it's logged in, it'll look like that. So if you want to say sign in or log in, let's do log in. It's all formatable. It's just getting to where you like it, it's really, really, really easy, but it can be super overwhelming at the beginning. But once you mess around with it for a little bit, you can get it to where you like it and you love. That dog makes me really happy. Your customers are going to like it too, and you won't be embarrassed to show off your website. You'll actually want to send people there, and it actually has purposes, calls to actions, and it walks them through the buying process and meets them where it's at. Whenever I found out about ClickFunnels and stuff like that, I bought different products and courses and stuff like that. And one of the courses showed me how to build funnel hubs based on Russell Brunson's book called Expert Secrets. And then all these pages are expert secret that hits on all the expert secret stuff. But it's on a website, it's on a funnel hub. So it overcomes all the obstacles that customers go through in their minds and stuff like that to buy your product that they're offering. So, all right, that is, the other ones will be shorter, but this one is the longer one. This is the homepage for JoJo and his helping him overcome obstacles that he faces, right? And I'll clean this up for next time, that it look a little bit prettier than right now. But again, you can go through and format stuff. If you want to format this, you want JoJo to be in the background, dark, or you want JoJo to be in red. Everything changes that you formatted in the styles. So the text changes. If there was a button right down here, it would change. So watch this. If we added a button, so the button right there is blue, right? So let's go. If it was that, blue. Maybe we made all the blue. Do we make all the? Here, watch. If you want to change the button, right here, you just styles the buttons, 2, 3, whichever one you like, right? You just change it. It's really, really simple whenever you have all the styles and all the colors you like to change it into what makes it look really pretty. So, all right, that's the end of this video. So what we did is we created the homepage. The first funnel hub page, did the formatting of the navigation bar, and then the navigation bar at the bottom. We learned about elements, rows, sections, how to change the pictures and colors and stuff like that, about buttons. Just get in here, mess around with it. Don't be hard on yourself. I was so hard. It's a lot, but it's also really, really easy. Just like the track character. It tells you what to do. This is where you can expand on who you are. So it tells you what to do. And just also make sure that you save it a lot. So, all right, till next time. But if you wanted to subscribe to my channel, if you got any value out of this, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, leave a comment if you want help with certain things. And if you need your 14-day free trial offer of ClickFunnels, I'll put a link in the description below to go get that. So, all right, I'm TJ, your funnels coach. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.